Good evening, everyone. Hope you guys doing great. Okay, there is a couple of things that I would like to share that the trades taken from today. Okay, so today is a very big day for on the US side due to they are having the election currently running on and the PMI news just released. But ever since the price has been very wicky, as I know from the London session, so the price has been very rangy. So from my weekly outlook, right, I do expect the price just continue dump after respecting the 4-hour fair value gap. But on the Monday, I did say that we have to observe, and Tuesday we also have the elections going on. So this is very crucial. So it's not a forex trading day for me for these 2 days, from the Monday to the Tuesday. And coming up this Friday, we also have the Fed rate FOMC statement as well. So anything before that, we reduce our risk, especially election day. It will be very, very volatile. Okay, and also from this point of view, I'm favor to long on the majors for the current being until the dollar index reached the weekly fair value gap, which I have set alert. So anything from now on, I'm bearish on the dollar index at the moment. I'm bearish, short-term bearish. I would love to see something like this. So the current thing, the manipulation has been done. The manipulation at this range has been done. Manipulation, and we are performing the distribution right here. Okay, I want to see the distribution sting into the weekly fair value gap to then continue higher off. Something like this. It will be having the same pattern or every single time, over and over again. Something like this. So okay, so this is my dollar index point of view. I would love to see the price for the dollar index is coming back into a weekly fair value gap to then continue longing off. Okay, so for now, I will be touching on, I bet the rest of the major is also going bullish with a sharp turn right here. Yes, indeed, very beautifully. Okay, if this having the sting in this, you can take off from here, put at this protected low. If you want to be more conservative, you can maybe put at this low as well and target higher. But for me, I would love to get a quick one, which is quick 1:2 is pretty much makes sense from here. Okay, so the pounds, yes, indeed, the price failed to break lower, so we have switching our buyers towards the upside. It's also aligned with the dollar index, which is potential continuing lower. And then so this will be the next draw on liquidity. Let me check, is there anywhere else that we can target better? Okay, indeed, because this is the previous weekly candle high, this is the nearest one that we can tap off. Okay, so we do have the 4-hour fair value gap right here. It should have come back this 4-hour fair value gap, but it didn't. There might be having a chance for us to get in, to trade off something like this. But since it's an election day, it will be very volatile for the US dollar. So please be careful who are trading the majors. Okay, the rest of the AU. Okay, if I'm going to bearish for the AU, I would love to see break this low. Otherwise, I won't be interested in shorting on AU. Although, like we're having this weekly breakaway gap. Okay, it could just potentially going higher, aiming at the previous swing highs as the drawn liquidity. Right here, and right here. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so this is the part that we are switching our bias from the weekly outlook due to how the price give us the reaction and give us what we want to see or not, and we just react accordingly. Okay, so on the crypto side, let's see. Okay, so let me have a very detailed breakdown on why I taken this trade. I think it's around in the morning before noon. Yeah. Okay, first of all, I saw there is a protected low from the daily. This is the daily protected low. Let me mark it out first. I'll tell you guys. I will touch on the daily time frame in a bit after I talk about the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, right, we do taken out this previous week low from here at this line, which is the previous weekly low. Okay, after we taken out, the price has the intention to continuing lower. So where will be the next? This one, which is the weekly candle low. The next weekly candle low as a drawn liquidity. So from this point, the price did rejected off from a daily BPR, but failed to break off this high, which created a swing failure with a BPR, which lead to the price to continuing lower to aim the previous low, because this low will be not valid. But if this low is a valid one, it should it should have hold this low to expand off towards this high, and with anything between this from this high to this high, it will be a LR, stand for low resistance liquidity run. Okay, so on this one is also a drawn liquidity. So the reason why I long off from here, every PD arrays, from the PD array studies itself, all of the swing lows and swing highs will be the ultimate what they call again, the swing low and swing highs will be the ultimate premium and discounts area. Okay, so from this one, the price rejected off and closed inside after respecting the discount area. Okay, but eventually the protected low did not get violated, which is a good sign of it could have potential reversing sign. Okay, from the 4-hour time frame, yes, indeed, it's still closed inside and leaving. That does it close with a bearish fair value gap? No, but the price did just close inside with a long wick rejection as well. So I dropped down to a 1-hour time frame. At first, I saw this 1-hour fair value gap. Did the price expansion of this low, continuous low, Did the price break off this low? No. Okay, this is the first thing I see. Then I drop down to a lower time frame. This is the open. The price did not break lower the previous low. Then I drop down to the 5-minute time frame. This is what I see. Okay, we have a very nice BPR reacted off, respecting with the second order flow. This is the first BPR, the second order flow. Okay, it should have two. Okay, but I just trigger one. I just don't want to mess up the chart. Okay, then eventually the price come back into it and did another expansion out with a BPR again. After then, I set my limit right at this low, but the price filled me at here, so I just leave it here. Okay, then I just do my work, busy my day. Then I just let it run up to here. This is my first take profit, due to the reason being there is a 4-hour fair value gap opposing. It could lead to bearish. The price indeed just took a bearish once, and I saw a 1-hour time frame, 1-hour fair value gap from there. Okay, I do check on the 1-hour time frame as well. Okay, there is a 1-hour fair value gap resting right here, a very small one. The price eventually just sting in and rejected close in this range. I did set another 10%, not 10%, another 1% of my positions at here, because I already taken profit from here. I just place another 1% positions right here, and I put my stop loss right here. The reason being why my stop loss is there, you can see it from here. My stop loss is there here. Okay, the price expansion off, and this was the protected low after forming to sweep this liquidity low. Okay, and then the price just respected off and pump all the way. I already taken another profit from here. This was my another drawn liquidity right here. Okay, now my TP is right here, and I have a swing position running as well. Also at here, it will be close at the new all-time high at 4 plus. I just let it run. Yeah, 4.4867, about there. Yep. Okay, so now as you can see, the price indeed having these liquidity areas, and the expansion is here. As long as we didn't see a expansion lower, break off this protected low, then it's fine. But anyway, my average position was, let me check how much is it. My average position was my average position is 1.6. So from here and here, I have a 1.6 positions at here. 1.6 is 1.673. 1673, and my stop loss was moved above here. So this protected low eventually is the one that I don't want to get broken off. So it's also in line with my analysis. So I'm currently is also a risk-free trade right now. So from this point of view, I will just let it run. Eventually, I will take another partial at here at this price 2489.57, and another one will be here 2768, and eventually, because there is an equal high right here, eventually will be the all-time high. Okay, I do believe this is just a start of the manipulation. This was the manipulation, sting in, and then rejection, break above here, could be another position to long off to all the way to the all-time high again. Okay, if you guys want to see more crypto analysis, you can just feel free to request. Even although like we always been talking more often about the forex pairs and all this. Okay, if you have any strategy issue you would like to bring up, or you want to talk about your plans, trading plans, trading strategy, or your psychology, but just feel free to DM us. There's a Telegram link below. You can reach out to us to join our premium, definitely for free. Just come to tag along, ask us any questions that you would like to ask. We build a community for free. We teach the education for free as well. So just get the resources, and I hope to help you guys in your trading journeys. Okay. Guys in your Okay. If you guys don't have any question else, perhaps I will touch on anything earlier. Oh yeah, by the way, the stream, due to the US and Canada daylight savings and majorities of the London pairs and the US session pairs has been affected with the daylight saving, and all of our stream will be shifted 1 hour back. So usually we will stream around 8:30 to 8:30 or 9 o'clock start, right? It will be shifted to 9:30 to or 9:30 or 10 p.m. to start, because that's the real time of the stock market open for the US, And for the London, even though we don't have the stream, but whoever are trading the London session, it will be shifted 1 hour back as well. So supposed to be 3 p.m., it will be shifted to 4 p.m. Okay, please do take note, and I hope you guys trade safe, and we will update the winnings of the US election, of course, because it's very crucial, extremely crucial. And I'll catch you guys in a bit, maybe tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. All right, ciao. Trade safe.